Yo, alert. SAL calling Hackmasters, Rockset and Trip. Stand by for mission update. Monitoring this urgent activity from Thunderworld. Report to Hacker Command at once. Thunderbirds are go!
Turbocharged Thunderbirds.
Hey. You're making enough noise here to bust my skull. Would you mind cutting back the decibels a little bit?
Chip, you wouldn't know good music from a solar screech.
Thrash Basket's latest disc, Cosmic Enigma. Now that's good music. Your noise just sounds like space static.
I'll give you space static.
Hey, dude, I'm telling you, we're lost, man. We're lost.
Whoa, Paul, I know, man. That is, like, totally not cool. That really bums my trip, man.
So, like, we don't know when we'll get there, right?
Dude, we don't even know where we're going, man.
Whoa, did you see that, man? That's gotta be the band.
Dude, you know, Jerry's gonna have the coolest spaceship.
Well, Dad, I can't think of a more remote place to brush up on some basic training maneuvers. Heck, there's only one truck down there in this whole desert.
FAB, Scott.
FAB back at you, Dad. Over now.
All right, son. Well, wrap it up and head on home. Crazy out.
Whoa, dude, I remember when I got lost going to Woodstock, man. I ended up in Bogota. I think that's like Peru, man.
Hey, man, you said if we went to this concert, we'd get there early. We got a whole trailer full of tie-dye t-shirts back there, man. We gotta sell those.
Just trust your karma, dude.
What the? International Rescue Command. It looks like I'm being followed.
Yo.
Code red alert from Thunderbird 1. Roxy, activate the radar detection screen. Thunderbird 1, this is Trip. You have 3 aircraft moving east on your tail.
Gente con tus ojos mejor.
Package from Thunderbird 1. Confirmed attack by 3 unidentified aircraft. I'm taking evasive action. Uh-oh. Thunderbird 1 going down.
He's gone up the scope.
I can't get it fixed. He must have crashed.
Well, I'll do a thermal scan. My thermal scanner's not working.
You're looking at the desert rocks. It's all hot.
For once, you're right. I'll have to do a visual search.
That could take hours.
Well, what else can we do? Get Mr. Tracy online. If Scott's hurt, he's not going to last long in that desert heat.
You space aliens really know how to handle yourselves. That was some good shooting.
Et kukursi kasila.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. Those Thunderbirds are a pesky lot. Ugh, not a business. I'm prepared to purchase your entire stock of rocket fuel. With that premium stuff, nobody will be able to stop me from becoming ruler of the world. Now, are you sure your hideout is still secure? Oh, the old hide the secret factory in the pyramid trick.
hold it. I've got something. It's not Thunderbird 1. There's someone else down there.
Man, we are really hosed for the concert. We're gonna be late. It's gonna cut into my tanning big time, man. I was hoping to kick back, listen to some tunes, get some rays.
You're losing it, dude. You got too much sun already.
Whoa, Dave. What is that, man?
Looks like sound equipment.
Cool. Hey, maybe that's where they're setting up the stage. Maybe we're early, dude.
Nah, that's no sound truck, man.
Hey, Dave. I wonder what happened to the band.
Maybe that guy can tell us.
Yeah. Think you'd buy a t-shirt?
Well, only one way to find out, dude.
Oh, my head.
Hey, man, we were just passing through.
You want to buy a shirt?
Shirt? Can't you see I've just crashed?
Oh, yeah, sure, I do that.
Hey, man, are you like Captain Kirk?
Look, I've just been attacked. I need you to call International Rescue immediately.
International Rescue dudes. We got a guy here who says he's like one of you, man. He looks pretty banged up. Like maybe one of you guys should pick him up or something.
Thank you. We received the distress signal and someone is on their way. Certainly was fortunate they came along when they did. What were they doing out there anyway?
I don't know. They said they were looking for a concert where they were planning to sell t-shirts of all things.
Strange fellas. By the way, Scott, are you aware that you were shot down as you were about to cross into Sector 47?
Sector 47? Isn't that where people claim to have seen the Lost Pyramid?
Lost pyramid? What lost pyramid?
How can anyone lose a pyramid? Let's hack into the ancient literature net and see what unscrolls. Searching data file. Locked into the web. Got it. Switching to visual.
Pyramids, among the most mysterious structures known to man, perfectly aligned upon the solar axis. Some theorists speculate these ancient structures were built by alien visitors as a hideout for intergalactic terrorists.
Intergalactic terrorists?
Relax, Rox. We've already got a new secret weapon.
Oh, and what's that?
You're singing. It's deadly.
Yeah, well, listen, Tone Deaf. If my singing could kill, you'd be the first to... Wait.
What?
That is an interesting concept.
What?
You might be onto something, Rox.
You are gonna have to really step on it, man, or we're just like not gonna make it to the scene.
Did you ever try driving on sand, dude? It's like trying to play Hendrix, man. You just can't rush the vibes.
Whoa, dude, stay on the road.
Whoa, like, was that the road?
Oh, bother my shirts.
Cool out, man. At least it didn't explode.
Yo, alert, yo, alert, yo, alert.
Receiving distress signal. Desert sector. Trying to lock...
Listen, man. We got a radio for help. What was that place? International Rescue? International Rescue, come in. Like, we're stranded, man. We need help.
Keep the sand out of your shorts, boys. The Thunderbirds are on their way.
Sal, open a channel.
Requesting communication access to Thunderworld. 2 men stranded in desert. Immediate action is required.
We received the signal as well, Sal. Hackers, what's the situation with those men?
They're in the desert and they're dying of thirst.
Scott, you're just the person I wanted to see. Get down to Thunderbird 1 and prepare for launching. The 2 men who saved you earlier now need your help. One good turn deserves another.
Thunderbirds are go! Sal, give me a mission update, now!
Stand by for mission update. Roxette discovers new tunnel range and bends Trip's ear. During routine training maneuvers, Scott was shot down by evil aliens and rescued by two wanderers looking for a rock concert. Now the two wanderers are in trouble. Thunderbirds are go!
Whoa, check that out.
Man, a concert here would be just like the dreadful grape show in Cairo, man. Yeah, that was an awesome concert. They jammed all night long.
Let's go.
Whoa, like nobody's around, man. What's up?
The show must be inside, man. Cool. Like open sesame.
International rescue from Thunderbird 1. I've crossed you to Sector 47, and I think I found their vehicle, but get this. It's abandoned outside a pyramid.
Does it look like the lost pyramid of Puntel?
I don't know. I'm going to go down and take a look. No signs of foul play. I better check this out on foot.
FAB, Scott.
Cool. This is like the antique shop in The Hague, man.
There's no entrance anywhere. Hey, doorway just opened up. I'm going in.
FAB, Scott. Maintain radio contact.
Hey, the door.
Well, this water tastes really good, man.
Yeah, where do you think it comes from, Dave?
Oh, dude, did you hear something?
Don't even say it!
Oh, that is not cool, man.
Hackers to Scott Tracy. What's going on in that pyramid?
I'm not sure, Rox. The entrance is closed and I'm trapped. But I can hear voices.
FAB, Scott. We're sending Thunderbird 2 to get you out.
Affirmative, Roxette. Now.
It's break time. Want to see my new invention?
Whoa! Technotronic!
I call it the new voice-enhancing boomer gun.
Boomer gun is capable of creating a harmonic divergence with unlimited range and accuracy. Gun can be used as a weapon of destruction or for fun at home in your own...
Ready to rock and roll? Thunderbirds go, but Jules on top of it. And don't you say it, John, that trip I think I love this. Yeah.
Whoa! Talk about power chords. Let me try.
Okay. Trip, don't you know it only works if you have talent?
Oh, come on, like that wasn't a great burp.
Excellent. We found a treasure.
We're rich, Dave! We're rich! We're rich!
Yeah, now we can buy more t-shirts, man.
Well, hi there. International Rescue at your service.
Whoa, if it isn't our buddy Scott!
Hey, what's that?
Cool gun, Rox.
Thanks.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yo alert.
Scott, come in. Scott, do you read me? Scott's radio's gone dead. Hacker command to TB2. Virgil, this is an emergency. Scott's trapped inside that pyramid and he needs help. There's people shooting at him.
Copy that. Doubling our speed to Mach 2-4, over.
Take cover, dudes.
No need to do anything crazy now.
Put him out. Put him.
You get any of that?
I think he wants us to follow him. Like, what do we do now, Scott?
I don't think we have much choice.
His Peter. P2.
Whoa, looks like we're walking, dude.
I wish we knew what was going on in that pyramid.
Let's switch to virtual.
I just hope they're okay.
Some sort of secret factory here, man. Whoa, look at that. I don't think we're in the pyramid anymore, man. Looks like we're passing over North Jersey.
They're tanking up those fighters down there. They look like the craft that shot me down the other day. I wonder what they're gonna do with that.
Lo fondima apuka. Lo fondima puka.
It's Virgil.
Yeah, your buddies must have come to look for us.
Kus ado.
Trip! Somebody's shooting missiles at Thunderbird 2!
You know what to do, Rox. Disrupt them.
Taro.
I can't get a target locked. The heat from the sand's causing convection distortion.
What else have we got?
Well, there's my new voice boomer gun, but I don't think it has the range.
Now's not the time for stage fright, Rox. Give it a try.
I've got to hit the perfect high note at 120 decibels to make this baby work. Here it goes.
We're under fire. Quick, start the car.
What's going on?
We gotta get out of here fast.
Tambala, Thunderbirds.
Come on, hurry.
Wow.
Thunderbird 2 from Scott Tracy. This place is gonna blow. Leave at once. Roger, we're out of here.
Hurry! Thermal readings are off the scale. Get out of there, Scott.
Roger, Trip. I've got the two guys with me, and we're out of here.
Come on! Hurry up, Virgil! Oh! There she goes!
They should call it the Totally Lost Pyramid.
Woke this morning was another day in space. Me and my buddy tree to our favorite place. Well, that Thunderbird fire, oh, that place in the sky. Well, my friend and I watched over you guys. We got Thunderbird planes, we got fast rocket too. Wherever life will come and see.
Yeah, what's better? You trapped in a temple? Yeah, okay, you're trapped in the sky. What? I'm